Namaste. Today, in this assembly that we are having here, we will start with the Ganesha Prarthana, and also since the past 4-5 days, we were doing the discussion on the qualities of Rama. Those shlokas will be chanted. After that, a brief explanation to the qualities of Rama will be given, and we will complete the series. And then Mangalarati will be performed. A small book release is there, and then the senior dignitaries who are present here will address the gathering briefly, and then as instructed by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, we will continue watching the live telecast from Ayodhya ji.
Hari Om everyone. Jai Shri Ram. We are well aware that today marks a historic day in Indian history. India, that is Bharat, has always been a Vishwa Guru in the sphere of spirituality.
January 22 to 2024 is going to add another chapter to our glorified history of diversity, as today, the historic inauguration ceremony of the much awaited Ram Mandir in Ayodhya will take place, and Sri Rama will be rightfully established in his birthplace. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय.
With that, I would like to request Hema Smita to start today's prayer session.
Hari Om Suprabhatam. All of you settle down. Gently close your eyes. We will start the session with 3 rounds of Omkara. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र. ओम हम सं गं भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः. पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम पंचविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शोभकृत् नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः पौषमासः शुक्लपक्षः द्वादशी तिथिः मृगशिरा नक्षत्रं ब्रह्मयोगः भवकरणं Induvasarah. Today's date 22nd January 2024 Monday. Sarvesham Shubhamastu. Ramayana Shlokaha. Shri Narada Uvacha Ikshvakuvansha Prabhavaha Ramo Nama Janai Shrutaha नियतात्मा महावीर्यः द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासः गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गः स्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षः लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमः श्रीमान् धातारि पूर्णिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञः धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुः अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are in the last verse of this Ramaguna. So please lead and follow. Vishnuna sadrusho virye somavat priyadarshanaha कालाग्नि सदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्मगिवापरः कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की। We are contemplating on the last day. This has to become every day's routine actually. Doing chintana of Ramaguna. Vishnuna sadrusho virye. He is equal to, Rama is equal to Vishnu. Definitely. It is. It is told, what is the virya? Virya means the strength. The strength is aparimita strength. Elsewhere in Ramayana, it is told by Valmiki, Buddhiman Madhura Bhashin Purva Bhashin Priyam Vadaha Viryaman Nachaviryena Mahatasvena Vismita. It is a beautiful verse which is connecting here. Vishnuna Sadrusho Virye. He is equal to Vishnu, Mahavishnu, because Mahavishnu takes this Dashavatara. One of that is Saptama Avatara is Sri Rama. Buddhiman, these are the qualities of Rama. Madhura Bhashin, Purva Bhashin. He never had any ego at all. If he used to meet anybody, he used to speak first. I am Dasharatha's son Rama. May I know please what is your name? Oh, we means we have that ego. Let him come and speak. Then I will see whether I should speak or not. That ego was not there at all in Rama. Purva Bhashin he is. Priyamvadaha, always he is Priyamvada. His words used to be always pleasing to all the Ayodhya Vasis. That's what, Priyamvadaha. Viryaman, though he is Viryaman, the Parakrami, Nacha Viryena, he never used to say, I am so Parakrami, never. Mahatasvena Vismita, this is the beautiful quality of Rama, which the whole world got wondered by this quality. He never used to boast himself. So this is what is Vishnuna Sadrusho Virye Somavat Priyadarshanaha. That Priyadarshana already I told. Always he used to have that beautiful smile on the face. We always, our frowning face sometime if we are depressed. No way. Whatever it is. Even in Rama, when he used to go out for this Vanavasa, 14 years Vanavasa, the decision when was taken, Rama went inside. Everybody was looking at Rama. He was having that Priya Darshana. And inside, when Rama came to know that I have to go for 14-year Vanavasa, he came out. Nobody could make out what is happening in his face. The same face was there, smiling face, when he entered into the palace. Oh, this is what Rama only can do that. Priya Darshana, always. If it has happened in our life, we would have created a very big havoc. Oh, मुझे क्यों जाना है 14 साल तो तुम जाओ बोल के बहुत हल्ला करते हैं है ना. Rama is so unperturbed. That is what is Priya Darshanaha. Kalagni Sadrushaha Krodhe. Rama never used to become Krodha. If at all, if he becomes Krodha, nobody has that ability to face his Krodha. The whole world, no force on this earth can have that facing ability of Rama's Krodha. It is like Kalagni Sadrusha Krodhe. Kshamaya Pruthivi Samaha. He is the most Ksamavan. Kshamaya Dharitri we say. Is it not? Bhumi has got the highest ability of Kshamaguna. So that is what Rama had this. Rama had this Kshamaguna. See, another shloka comes in by Valmiki only. Kadachit upakarena kritena ekena tushyati nasmarat apakaranam shatamapi atmavattaya. This is the beautiful way how Valmiki explains Rama's quality. Kadachit upakarena. If somebody had helped Rama even 10 years ago, later, if Rama sees him, then he used to remember, oh, you helped me 10 years ago, I remember still now. But Kritena ekena tushyati, but nasmarat apakaranam shatamapi. Even 100 times if you think bad or do something bad to Rama never used to, even if he is going to see every day, that person never used to remember. Oh, this is what is the highest guna, Kshama guna of Rama, where he never used to keep in his mind. That is the beauty of Rama's quality. Kshamaya Pruthivi Samaha. It is what? Prithvi only can have that Kshama guna. How much atrocities we do to this earth? So that is what we say in Prathastotra. Every day we have to Samudravasane Devi, Parvatasthana Mandite, Vishnu Patni, Namastubhyam, Padasparsham, Kshamasvame, Vishtha, Mutra Kaphotsargam, Aparadham, Kshamasvame. Is it not? Every day we have to say this. So Rama had this Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha. Dhanadena Samastyage. He was equal to Kubera. Dhanadana, Dhanadena Samastyage, Satye Dharma Ivaparaha. So he was the personification of Satya and Dharma. That is what Rama is always. Maryada Purushottama he is. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you so much, sir, for so beautifully explaining the plethora of qualities of Lord Sri Rama. तो बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की। Now I would like to request Kaushik Bhaiya to lead the Rama Nama Sankirtana.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक पुराण पुरुषोत्तम गद्य सेवा प्रिया गद्य सेवामवधारय।
जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चरण चतुर दशरथ चरमर्ण विमोचन कोसलसुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कौमार केळि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र वृंद वंदित प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिरति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज व्रजिन जहदुपर तनु रुचिरत परम मुनिवर युवतीनुत कुशिक सुत कथित विविध नव विविध कथ मैथिल नगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चंद्र खंड परशुको दंड प्रकांड खंडन शौंड भुजदंड चंड कर किरण मंडल बोधित पुंडरीक वन रुचिलुंटाकलोचन मोचित जनक हृदय शंकातंक परिहृत निखिल नरपति वर्ण जनक दुहितृकुच तट विहरण समुचित करतल शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर करधृत दुरवन मत मनिज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तु दजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दश शतभुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित भृतुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति करनत परुडिषु परिघ जय जय राम बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की अयोध्यापति रामचंद्र की सीताकांत स्मरणं जय जय राम राम गोपिका जीवन स्मरणं गोविंद गोविंद सिद्धि विनायक महाराज की बोलो वृंदावन कुंज बिहारी लाल की बोला पुंडलीक वरदे पांडुरंग विठ्ठले आंजनेय स्वामी की भैरव भैरव राम 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 रामचंद्र की, अयोध्यापति रामचंद्र की, जानकी वल्लभ रामचंद्र की।
Thank you, Kaushik Bhaiya and the whole team. Now we shall move forward and proceed with the sacred Mangala Aarti.
जोर से बोलो, प्यार से बोलो, जय सिया राम की, जय सिया राम की। Respected Guruji, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. For me, 1 hour is required, but not today. I will take a special session about the story of 6th December 1992, where I was a car savant. I was a fortunate car savant. I was on the top of the ugly doom, and I was put behind bars. I did not care. I pulled it down. I will stop at this stage, because the story goes very long. What are the difficulties we faced? How in 90 we were booted, we were ill-treated by none other than Mulayam Singh government. But later, Kalyan Singh ji came and Kalyan happened 32 years back. The story, all the struggle and the commitment of the car sevaks today, on the direction and blessings of Narendra Modi ji, we are celebrating this Ramadan Chatra. I will stop because the narration takes much time and you will be losing the best sceneries of the live telecast. Jai Siya Ram!
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I would request Dr. Nagratna Didi to speak a few words.
Jai Siya Ram. I will tell you one experience. Amit is here, I think. We were planning NMB. What is NMB? Niyantrita Madhumeha Bharata. Guruji has told us that we should reach 2.5 lakh people. We did all that is necessary at the logical level, but we wanted the divine grace. So all the 200 people who were involved in the project did this Rama Mantra Japa for 108 days. And the success of NMP you should hear from Amit Bhaiya, who was all the time 24/7 for 3 months on his WhatsApp. And the success of NMP was, we had 3 PhDs, each submitting 3 papers, and 40 papers published out of this project. Jai Shri Ram Ka Kripa. So whenever we start a research project, let us pray to Rama and he will make it happen. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you so much, Didi, for sharing your insights. Just a few more minutes before we can witness the event. Before that, I would like to invite Honorable Dr. H.R. Nagendra Guruji to also speak a few words on this special occasion.
Jai Shri Ram. I remember our Lakshmi Amma, who was a great devotee of Sri Rama, came here in 1972, where it was all shrubs here, nothing. And she continuously went on doing the tapas on Sri Rama. And she got the Sakshatkara of Sri Rama. And in the last 12 years of her life, she never slept. What she was doing? All 24 hours, inner layer of the mind, always in Sri Rama Japa. Ram, 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 Ram. And when she does the puja, Shuddha Brahma Parat Pararam. And she goes on telling. And it is that power of Sri Ram that has made this Prashanti Kutiram come to this state today, and also the Yaswasa University. So we offer on this very auspicious day our grateful records of this great event that had happened in the life of Lakshmi Amma. And thanks to our Dr. Dayananda Swami, who is our finance director, for having thought of establishing the Pratisthapana of the Rama Parivar on the very same day, at the very same time, in our Prashanti Kutiram also. Therefore, we are very happy that soon after the Pratisthapana is being done, we are going to have the Pratisthapana here also. But that is Ayodhya, is the grand world Prana Pratisthapana. Ours is a small Pratisthapana of Rama Parivar. Therefore, we are very happy and we place on record the wonderful contribution of Dayananda Swami for having thought of this and actualized in such a short time. And during that period, I want all of you to be here, and Pratisthapana will go on, and then we will see the grand event that is going on in Ayodhya by the record. And Sri Rama is an embodiment of all knowledge, power, freedom, and embodiment of dharma. And his entire story, Ramayana, has to be brought forth, and Valmiki brought Tulsi Ramayana, and so many Ramayanas are there. But we want a short one. And beautifully, our Professor Jayaraman has brought all these 50 slokas, a short projection of the entire Ramayana with all its delicacies in the beautiful poetic forum. Therefore, we are very grateful for Professor Jayaraman for having done this in such a short time. And printed, and we have opened the beautiful thing, and all of you can get these things and do. So all of you should by heart these 50 verses, if not the 108 verses which has been there in vogue. And therefore, let us all pray to Lord Sri Rama to give us all the strength, energy and vitality to see that we grow continuously from our normal level to great super divine human beings. And I wish all the best to all of you and to the faculty, students and our alumni and all our complete Vyasa Parivar and Yasvyasa Parivar all over the world. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much.
रामे चित्तलये सदाभवतु चित्तलये सदा भवतु मे ओ राम
प्लीज थोड़ा साइड में जाइए प्लीज।
Loka